Morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, yesterday we had discussed the
Good morning,
question
ma'am.
answer. Anybody has any problem?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी को कोई दिक्कत है?
No,
Should I
ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
एक बार क्या मैं पूरे को रिपीट कर दूं आप लोगों के लिए जो नहीं लिखा होगा? क्या होगा?
No, ma'am. मैम सब लोग लिख लिए हैं।
सब लोग लिख लिया है?
Yes, ma'am. लिख लिए हैं।
Yes, ma'am. लिख लिए हैं।
किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है? Although
No,
it's
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
तो पीडीएफ भी भेजी थी, मैंने भेजा था।
Yes, ma'am. देखे थे।
In that PDF, only diagrammatic format was there, but if you will explain, then that will be much better. That is why I have written on the
पीडीएफ में वो शॉर्ट में लिखा हुआ है मैम, आंसर शॉर्ट में लिखा है मैम। आप जो लिखा है
कौन
उसका
सा
आगे
आंसर शॉर्ट में लिखा हुआ है?
मैम स्टेटमेंट इन 1 or 2 sentences वाला मैम E5।
No, it is written complete. Okay, that answer is also
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
That answer may be written in any form, ना? तो आपका matter correct है. Excuse me. Now one thing, children. I just want you all to have a quick checking of the answer so that no confusion will be there. And then today we will do value based question. Then in the next week we will start a new chapter. Okay? So एक
Okay, ma'am.
revision हम लोग कर लेते हैं questions का. Then we will discuss the value based question. Okay?
अरविंद पता है।
So let's come to the question answer part, and then we will come to the value based question. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
एक बार आप लोग सुन लो ताकि मुझे इंटरैक्टिव रहने से आप पता चलता है कि किसी को कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है। और देन आई एम नॉट म्यूटिंग यू ऑल जस्ट नाउ, अभी नहीं म्यूट कर रही हूँ मैं। और कोई भी दिक्कत हो, एनी प्रॉब्लम, देन यू कैन टेल मी इन द क्लास आल्सो एंड ऑन द व्हाट्सएप।
तो इंडिया का अनरिपोर्टेड है कैसा? हाँ
Now for those who couldn't join, एक बार क्विक रिवीजन देख लीजिए आप लोग आंसर क्वेश्चन का, उसके बाद हम लोग वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन कराएंगे। And those who have marked, they will check it also. In the meantime, their checking will be also done. And please children don't talk. आप लोग बीच में बात करना बंद करो। Swasti Raj and Aman Raj, please maintain discipline. Anindya Ansh. Otherwise, I will have to mute the class.
वो आवाज जाने होगा।
Now, fill in the blanks. The digestion of food in humans start in mouth or buccal cavity and is completed in the small intestine. Hydrochloric acid present in the stomach. Yes, what problem you are having, Natik? क्या दिक्कत है बोलो?
मैम E3 नहीं समझ में आया।
हाँ वो बिंदी है।
That I am coming. I am coming. उस पर आएंगे तब आप बोलिएगा। अभी हम लोग पहले शुरू से करवा रहे हैं ताकि आपका चेकिंग भी हो जाए, ठीक है? सब हम आपको बता रहे हैं। Hydrochloric acid present in the stomach kills bacteria. The largest gland in the human body is liver. partially digested food that is chewed again by grass-eating animal is called the cud. Amoeba uses pseudopodia for locomotion and for capturing its food. Match the following: gallbladder, bile juice, protein, amino acid, intestinal wall, absorption, human, cow, pseudopodia, false feet. Organisms that can synthesize their own food are called. The answer should come from your side.
Ma'am, autotrophs.
Autotrophs.
Autotroph.
How is that?
Autotroph.
Heterotrophs.
Yes.
Heterotrophs.
Animals that eat both plant material and animals are not a part of alimentary canal.
Liver, ma'am, liver.
Juice is released by the
Ma'am, liver.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एक बार और बोल दीजिए.
Come to the D question. D1A, Holozoic nutrition.
This is a mode of nutrition in which organisms like amoeba and human beings eat food that may be in solid or liquid state. This food is taken into the body and then it is broken down to provide required nutrition to the body.
Yes, correct answer. Page number 16. The mode of nutrition in which organisms take or eat the food that may be in solid or liquid state. This food is taken into the body and then it is broken down to provide the required nutrition to the body. This is the answer. Then alimentary canal.
Ma'am, can I say long muscular tube in the human body through which food passes after ingestion? It's present in the canal, but this canal begins at the mouth and ends at the anus called alimentary canal. Ma'am.
Okay. Once again, clearly koi boliye.
Ma'am, can I say Swastika? Can I say Swastika? Ma'am, can I say Aprazita Singh?
Ma'am, can I say Alok Raj?
When you chance you first speak.
Ma'am, can I say Alok Raj?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say Alok Raj?
Alok, okay. Bolo.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, alimentary canal.
Alok Raj,
Assimilation.
Alimentary canal.
I'm saying the long muscular tube in the human body through which passes after its ingestion. Ma'am, it is in page number 25. Keywords.
yes. The long muscular tube in the human body through which food passes.
After its ingestion.
And you can add one line here. एक line add कर दीजिए इस आंसर में. It starts from buccal cavity and ends at anus. ये line भी add कर दीजिए उस आंसर. Okay. It starts from buccal cavity and ends at anus.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the meaning of the term assimilation.
Ma'am, can I say Alok Raj?
Can I say Aprazita? Ma'am, can I say Aprazita? Ma'am, can I say Aprazita?
Say.
Ma'am, the absorbed food is utilized by the body for growth and formation of the body parts. This process is known as assimilation.
Yes. In this way, you can just check your answer also that you have written
Ma'am,
correctly or
this
not.
answer is in page number 17.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you will tell the page number also so that it can help the other students to mark it properly.
Ma'am, third
Then comes rumination. That was correct. That was the correct answer, assimilation. Come to rumination.
Ma'am, Alok Raj.
Can I say Ma'am, curtsy and herbivore
bring this cord back to their mouth. This process
back to their mouth and
ancient.
give it
back to the mouth.
can I
Ma'am, can I answer?
24
Can I
plus
Number
9.
21, first para.
Those who are telling, please tell your name first. Abhinav, are you speaking? कौन बोल रहा है?
Mama Misha.
Okay, Amisha, tell.
The ruminants this curd back to their mouth and chew it thoroughly. This process is called rumination. This sentence is in page 24 first paragraph.
Yes, 24 page number, first paragraph. Yes, correct answer. Name the organs that make up the human alimentary canal.
Ma'am, can I say Palakshita?
After digestion.
Say,
Palakshita?
okay, Palakshita.
Can I say Swastiraj?
No,
Can I say
Palakshita.
organs that make up the human alimentary canal is buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus.
This sentence number 17. Digestion.
Page number 7. Digestion
This
topic.
answer is in
Is
page
in
number
the
17.
Page number 17. The alimentary canal is made up of buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus.
And
State two differences between milk teeth and permanent teeth.
Ma'am,
Anjali,
Ma'am,
Anjali, are you ready? Anjali, बोलिए.
Ma'am, may I?
yes, ma'am. The first set,
Dance to Anjali.
the first set teeth are 20 small teeth, also known as baby teeth or milk teeth. They start appearing above the gum line when a baby is 6 or 7 months old. Second, the permanent teeth. Time a child is around 6 years old, a set of 32 teeth called comes out the gums and replace the milk teeth.
Okay, it is correct. The first set of
Can I
20
say?
teeth.
I say? Ma'am, the proper answer of permanent teeth is that the second set of 32 larger teeth called permanent teeth come out from the gums and replace the milk teeth.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Or you can, if you want to make 2 points, you can make it in this way that when the child is
Ma'am,
at
can
the
I say
age of 6 years old, a second set of 32 large teeth comes out, which is known as permanent teeth. And it eventually replaces the milk teeth.
Ma'am, can I answer properly?
Okay.
Can I say Charu Patel?
Who wants to say?
Ma'am, Swasti Raj. Ma'am,
Who
can I
is
say
this display in
Prajita?
the class?
Okay, ma'am.
Aman
Ma'am,
Raj.
can I say? Ma'am, can I say
Yes,
Swasti?
follow.
Ma'am, can I say Prajita?
And the code name.
No, Swasti Raj has
Ma'am, the four
Customer.
times. Ma'am, can I say Prajita?
Human beings are their canines, premolars, and molars.
This is not fair.
And this answer.
Ma'am, can I say
Shali?
Ma'am, can I say Prajita?
Okay, Prajita, please tell.
Ma'am, can I say Siddhi? Can I answer Swasti Raj? Ma'am, can I say?
Just wait, as Aprajita, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए आंसर.
Ma'am, the four types of teeth in the human mouth are 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolar or 12 molars.
Okay, correct. Because all are making so much of noise. बहुत ज्यादा ही आवाज करने लगते हो तुम लोग. Now, Amisha, can
Yes,
you hear
ma'am.
me? Okay,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
answer this question. State the function of incisors and premolar teeth.
Ma'am, incisors they used for cutting of food and premolars they used for grinding the food. Ma'am, we have to say the page number also.
Okay, tell the page number also.
Ma'am, it is in page number 19, first paragraph.
And I have told you to mention the function of all the different types of teeth in this question. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is written also.
Now, next one is state the role of acid in human stomach. Now, Shalu. Shalu, are you there? Shalu Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
You just answer this question. State the role of acid in human stomach.
Hydrochloric acid kills bacteria. It also provides the acid medium needed for digestion of food by the enemies in the stomach.
Okay, where it is? It is in the page number 21. The answer is in page number
Yes,
21.
ma'am.
I'm repeating
21.
because I want that each and every student should have the answer in their copy ready so that it
Okay,
is
ma'am.
easier for them to study. Okay, next
ma'am.
question goes to state the function of bile juice and pancreatic juice in human. Who will tell now? Aditya Kumar. Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
bolo. State the function of bile juice and pancreatic juice in the human digestive system. Have you marked?
Ma'am,
आदित्य आपका मार्क किया हुआ है, आपका लिखा हुआ है. Why are you taking so much of time, Aditya? Aditya, can you hear me? Arpita Ranjan. Arpita. Okay, next who is interested?
Clear.
Arpita Ranjan. Arpita Ranjan? No, not responding.
ma'am, she is
Okay,
muted.
Aprajita.
Yes, ma'am.
Arpita Ranjan is muted.
Yes, ma'am, she is muted.
Yes, ma'am.
She might have done from her end, but I have not done it. चलो अब कोई और जो unmuted है, अपराजिता, are you there? अपराजिता
Yes,
Singh.
ma'am.
चलो बोलो ये आंसर. State the function of bile juice and pancreatic juice in the human digestive system.
Ma'am, Aprajita is muted.
How they are getting muted?
I'm so I can answer.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, bolo.
The bile juice. The bile juice play an important role in the digestion of fats and pancreatic juice. This juice acts on carbohydrates, protein, and fats and break them into simpler form.
Okay. Next question, E1. Draw a neat, well-labeled diagram of human digestive system. That we all have marked, that it is given on page number
70.
17. Yes. That human digestive system diagram all will draw here. Now justify the following statement. Crow is an omnivore because
Ma'am, I want
Bolo.
to answer. Ma'am,
Ah.
because it eats
Bolo.
both animal and plant materials.
Yes. It is said that the mode of nutrition in human beings and amoeba is quite similar.
Ma'am, because both take solid and liquid food which are broken down to provide required nutrition.
Yes, because both take solid or liquid food which are broken down to provide required nutrition.
Yeah.
Now somebody had problem in E3. ध्यान से सुन लेना आंसर को. Ingestion of food is difficult without teeth. What will be the answer?
Ma'am,
Bolo.
because the teeth break the food into smaller particles and make easy to swallow.
Makes it easy to swallow. For further digestion you can add. For further digestion. इसमें एक word लिख सकते हो. For further digestion. If we chew, just see this answer. Ingestion of food is difficult without teeth because the teeth breaks the food into smaller particles and makes it easy to swallow for further digestion. If we chew rice or bread for a few minutes, it starts tasting sweet. Next.
Yes, because the saliva breaks the starch to sugar.
Because the saliva breaks starch to form sugar. Bacteria are present in the cecum of ruminants because the cellulose of the because it helps in further digestion of cellulose of the food. Because it helps in further digestion of the cellulose of food. Yes. Explain how digested food gets absorbed into the blood. Please tell the answer from page number 22.
Ma'am, this answer is in page number 22, second paragraph. The inner wall of the small intestine absorbs the digested food. It has a large number of finger-like projection called villi. The villi increase the effective surface area of observation of digested food. This absorbed food is passed to blood vessels present in the villi. The food does get transported to all parts of the body via that blood.
Yes, correct. Then next one is state in one or two sentences the various processes involved in nutrition in ruminant animals. बोलो, page number 17 से start करिए.
Ma'am, it is in page number 23. Its answer is in page number 23.
Sorry, 23. 23, बोलो.
Gut-chewing herbivore animals are called ruminants. They have a special four-chambered stomach. The first chamber is the largest and is called rumen. These animals first swallow the food quickly and store it in their rumen. The rumen has some microorganisms that help in partially digestion of the cellulose of the plant material. This food is now, ma'am, we have to write from the ruminants bring this curd back to mouth and chew it truly. This process is known as rumination. The through chewing of during
The
rumination
thorough
helps
chewing.
to break the rich
Thorough chewing.
cellulose content of, of the plant materials. This breaking down makes it easy for these animals to digest the cellulose content. Ruminants also have a spacious bag-like structure between their small intestine and the large intestine. This is called cecum. The bacteria present in the cecum help in further digestion of the cellulose of the food.
Yes,
Here we
and you
have to
will draw the diagram also. Diagram भी बनाना है. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. We have to
Explain ingestion of food in amoeba through a diagram. Diagram is given in the book on page number 24, and you will write the answer from page 24. एक बार इसको भी quickly read करो.
Okay, ma'am. Amoeba is microscopic and unicellular organism found in moist soil, ponds, and lake. It constantly changes its shape and move with the help of ma'am, what is written here?
Pseudopodia.
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 Okay, ma'am.
Pseudopodia.
Pseudopodia.
Pseudopodia. Is it not clear?
When amoeba comes
आवाज
in
नहीं जा रही है क्या?
ma'am, आ रही है.
चलो
Yes,
चलो बोलो.
When amoeba comes in contact with food, it produces pseudopodia around the food particle. As the cell membranes of fuse, the food gets trapped in food follicle. Digestive juices are secreted into the follicle to digest the food. This digested food, the undigested food present in the food follicle is expelled from the
Vacuole.
digestion.
It is vacuole.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay. Then ये last line देख लो. The undigested food present in food vacuole is expelled from the amoeba by the process of digestion. Now come to value-based question. Value-based question देखिए. The biology teacher, who was also the coach of his school cricket team, would often compare his team member with the different organs of the digestive system. He would tell them to concentrate on their respective roles and do work as a team in a selfless and dedicated way. This he would say would enable them to succeed in winning matches in the same way as the team of organs of the digestive system succeeds in digesting and using digested food. State two of the values that the teacher wanted his students to have in them. What was that? Selflessness, and dedication.
Yes, ma'am, and dedication.
से अच्छा कंसंट्रेशन भी लिख सकते हो. हाँ ठीक है. रिस्पेक्ट भी, डेडिकेशन विल बी द एप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड. डेडिकेशन एंड selflessness.
Dedication.
Selflessness and dedication. Try to make a list of 11 names that are part of the team that make up the human digestive system. अब आपको 11 मेंबर्स खोजना है डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का. क्या आपका टीम वर्क किस चीज के साथ है? डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के साथ. ठीक है. तो यू विल मेक दैट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम टीम. यू कैन नेम फ्रॉम माउथ. माउथ से स्टार्ट करो. बकल कैविटी, टीथ, सलाइवरी ग्लैंड. You 11 members will be there. Have a group discussion on the importance of teamwork in day-to-day life. Day-to-day life में टीम वर्क का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है, ये आपको लिखना है इन योर ओन वर्ड. ओके, अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर?
Okay.
यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ गया है? तो आपका वर्क है टू कंप्लीट इट इन योर कॉपी विद ऑल द डायग्राम्स. डायग्राम्स इसमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डायग्राम्स दिया हुआ है. Digestive system of cow, nutrition in amoeba, parts of small intestine showing villi, then tongue, buccal cavity, and human digestive system. Okay, please complete it till here. Or in the next class, all of you get ready to read your next chapter. That is chemical substances, and it will be a new chapter related to chemistry, chemical substances and processes. This chapter we will complete in the, we'll start in, not complete, we will start in the next class. So I want you to have a just reading of that chapter so that you are known with the fact. आप fact से थोड़ी जानकारी आपको रहे और तब आप लोग हम लोग उसको डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है? I think from my side I am explaining it to that level so that you can understand. तो आप लोग को अगर कोई दिक्कत होगा तो you can contact. Clear? At any level. Okay? Thank you. Children, फर्स्ट चैप्टर का भी क्वेश्चन आंसर आप लोगों ने कर लिया है?
Yes, ma'am.
कॉपी में सब लोग अपना काम जरूर कंप्लीट करोगे. And I want that whenever we meet, your work should be completed over. जब भी आपका हम लोग मीट करेंगे तो आप लोग का काम कॉपी में. Yes, very good, Amisha. Good work. ठीक है. In that way, we will have a look. Yes, yes. And children, in this pandemic, you have to help yourself because all the time nobody will hammer your head. आप लोग के सर पर कोई सवार होने वाला नहीं है, इसलिए आप लोग को अपना हेल्प खुद करना है. Be sincere. If you just think positively that you are becoming sincere nowadays. अब आपको sincere खुद होना. Mummy, Papa, teachers, all the time they will not be there. Okay? You have to do your work yourself. Clear? और कुछ पूछना है किसी को? Anybody want to ask me? एक मिनट रुक जाओ. Children, anybody wants to ask anything? Is it clear now? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
सब लोग, किसी को कोई दिक्कत है इस दोनों चैप्टर में? Anybody who want to tell anything, any problem? Anybody please tell me if you have any problem. अगर आपको कोई दिक्कत है तो आप बता सकते हो क्लास में. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. And I want from my side that all of you should note, आप लोग के पास sufficient time है. You are not wasting time for traveling to school, so you utilize your time in working and writing the fact what is instructed in the class. Okay? Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you and have a nice day.
Okay.